Hi guys, welcome to another video. But before we get into the video, I want to say Happy New Year. I know I'm about, what's today's date? The 8th. So it's 8 days into the new year, but nonetheless, Happy New Year. And so first and foremost, I want to say thank you to my 165 subscribers, and also a thank you to everyone that's ever viewed any of my videos. For the thousands of people or the thousands of views that I have received, thank you. I appreciate that. And if you're new here, I'm Felicia. I would love for you to join the family and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the upload. I upload every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the new Lotta Body Milk and Honey collection. This is actually the results. This is actually 5-day hair. When I initially did my hair had a little part in the middle, but since then, today I just went ahead and put it back half up, half down. But and I'll probably zoom in, but the curls are still really defined. My hair is super soft. I really did enjoy the products. This is a twist out, just so if anyone is wondering. It's not a wash and go, it's a twist out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, and we're gonna jump right into the shower. So I'm starting my wash day off with my hair being pre-pooed with the African Pride. And as some of you know, I am obsessed with this pre-poo. It's super moisturizing, but I've already talked about that, so check out that video. So I'm going to go in with the Milk and Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo, and this product is supposed to remove product buildup, restore moisture, and also make hair soft and manageable. And I can say that this shampoo did feel really good. It lathered really well, as you can see. And for the love of God, do not get this in your eye. It burned like crap, and I spent the rest of my shower trying to put my eyeball back in my socket. Okay, I digress. So next is the Restore Me Cream Conditioner. I also use this as a deep conditioner. It had listed that for deep conditioning that you can cover your hair with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So that is what I did. I also didn't have any problems with detangling my hair. So it did leave my hair really soft. I deep conditioned maybe about 15 minutes. You'll see me put the plastic cap on, and I just let that sit on my hair while I completed the rest of my shower. So now let's get into the styling. So there is the Milk and Honey Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. And this conditioner is supposed to provide moisture, detangles, add shine, and also provide intense hydration. And I will say, using this, it did that. It's kind of creamy. It's creamy. It kind of has that, I don't know what smell I want to call it, but I don't know what smell, but there is a perfume smell to it. So that is what I smell. It doesn't smell bad. I think I've also mentioned in a previous video when I did the unboxing, if you're sensitive to smells and perfumes, this might not be the collection for you. But it doesn't linger. The next, I use the Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. And this is supposed to provide medium hold for soft curls, define the curls, adds body and shine. So I will say that applying the mousse, and for some reason whenever I use a mousse, I always feel like it has slipped. So and this was no different. So these two together, I really did like the combination of both of these products working together. I had no problem twisting my hair. My hair was detangled. It was smooth going through, so no problems with that. So I did a twist out. I let it dry overnight. Yeah, it may even been 2 days, I don't remember, but my hair was completely dry when I took it down. So I apologize. I did not film it. I was in a rush to get out the house, so I did not film the takedown. But if you've seen one video at this point, you already seen me take my hair down. I did use an oil to take my hair down as always. This collection did not provide an oil in the curl box. I don't even think they have one. But anyway, I didn't have an oil, so what I used was the Cream of Nature 5 Essential Oil. That's what I used to take down my twist. And I will insert some photos probably somewhere here. I did take a couple of photos of what my hair looked like, also when I initially undid the twist and after, just so that you can see how defined my hair was. So again, it was super defined. And then to finish the style, I used their Tame 24-hour edge control. So I did apply some of that to my edges, and that worked out fine. It did provide a lot of shine, and also did a pretty good job as far as actually controlling my edges. And I did not tie down my edges. I kind of just slapped it on there, brushed it in, and basically went out the door. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried out this new collection, if you knew it even exists for that matter. So give me your thoughts. Also let me know what other products or what other things would you like to see on my channel. I'm always open for suggestions. I enjoy when you guys comment, and I mean, I have some people that I know regularly comment down in the section, and I love engaging with you guys, and I would love for more of you to engage, whether it be on the topic of the video or something else. So just hit me up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.